Hi friends, and welcome to our new classroom. So the previous video we learned about A, B, C, and D. Today we're going to be reviewing E, F, and G. And we're going to do it the same way I did the other video. I'm going to show you how it sounds, how it looks, and how to write it. So first up, here is the picture for the letter E. Now, letter E, his mouth is a little bit open and you can see his teeth. So when we make the E sound, our mouth needs to be a little bit open and you got to show your teeth, top and bottom. And he's got little eggs that he's eating. So we got to make sure that our mouth is a little open like this and our voice is going to be turned on. Again, when we turn on our voice, that means our throat is vibrating. So if you want, you can put your hand on your throat as we make the E sound. Sounds like this. Eh. You can feel it tingling in your fingertips right here. All right, let's try it 3 times together. Ready? Go. Eh, eh, eh. Now the hand motion for this is you're going to take your finger and you're going to point in your mouth because you want the eggs to go in your mouth. Ready? We're going to do the sound 3 times together. Get your mouth ready. What does your mouth look? Good job. All right, ready? Set, go. Eh, eh, eh. Very good, my friends. Now, just like the other letters, you can write E 2 ways. Uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase looks very different. It's taller and it has lots of straight lines. Whereas lowercase e, we see some curves. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to write uppercase and lowercase e. When we do uppercase E, we start all the way at the top and we're going to make one line going straight down. And down. Very good. We're going to pick up our marker and we're going to start at the top because now we have to make 3 little lines coming out from this long line. So you start at the top and we go line, find somewhere in the middle, and line, and at the very bottom we're going to do our last line. Ready? Line. Very nice. Let's do it together. Grab your marker, and remember, we're going to start all the way at the top and line. Pick up your marker, start at the top again. Little lines now. Line. Find somewhere in the middle and line. Go all the way to the bottom and line. Very good. Now, we're going to do lowercase e. Lowercase e is shorter, so we're not going to start all the way at the top. We're going to find somewhere in the middle. And this gets tricky because curvy lines can be a little tricky. So we're going to start in the middle, and first we're going to do a line going out, and then the curvy line is going to go around. Around. Okay? Now we're not going to close this gap. So let's do it together. Find a place in the middle. We're going to do it out and around. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead, move on to the next one. All right, so right before we go to the next one, I'm actually going to show you some words that start with the letter E. I'm going to show you the card, and I want you to say what the word is. Let's see if you can do it. All right. What is this? That's right. It's an eagle. What about this picture? Eggs. Very good. This is going to be tricky. When we write letters and we send it in the mail, the letter has to go in something called an envelope. These are envelopes. Ooh, this one's a good one. Ready? What's this? An elephant. Very good, my friends. All right, so now we're going to move on to the next letter. After E comes F. Now this is one of my favorite ones when I do with my class. So this F, you can see from the picture, looks like a dragon. And he burned his lip. And when you burn your lip, sometimes you go, so you see how I'm biting my lower lip? I'm gonna go like this. And you can see from the picture that he's puffing out air. Now, for this letter, our voices are turned off, which means there should be no vibrating on our throats. So the sound is going to go like this. Very good. Check to make sure it's not making any sound, just air puffing out. Bite your lower lip. And 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right. So now let's look at what letter F looks like. This is uppercase F, and this is lowercase f. They're both pretty tall, but a difference that I see is that F has only straight lines, and lowercase f has a little curve at the top. So we're going to go ahead and learn to write those letters. All right, so first we're going to do uppercase F. Now, because both F's are tall, we're going to start all the way at the top. And we're going to do one long line going down. Ready? Line. Now, similar to uppercase E, we're going to make little lines coming out from this big line, except we're only going to be making 2. So grab your marker, start at the very top, and we're going to do little lines. Ready? Line. Find somewhere in the middle, and we're going to do our second line. Ready? Line. Very good. That is uppercase F. Let's do it together. Grab your marker, and we're going to start all the way at the top. And we're going to do one line going down. Pick up your marker, start at the top, and line. Find a place in the middle, and line. We did it. We did uppercase F. Now, we're going to do lowercase f. Erase your board. And again, both uppercase and lowercase f are tall, which means both of them are going to start at the very top. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find a place at the top. Now for lowercase f, there's a hook at the top. So when we do that, we go hook and down. It was a little tricky. Let's do it again. Start at the top and hook and down. Now for the easiest part is we're going to make a line, but we're going to make the line crossing this hook that we made, like this, starting from the side and line. Very good. Let's do one more together. Grab your markers, place at the top and hook and down. Pick up your marker, find a nice place in the middle, and line. Very good. All right, go ahead, erase. Let's see some words that start with F. All right, let's see if you can name these cards when I lift them up. Remember, these are all words that start with the letter F. That's right, it's a feather. Good job. All right, next picture. Fish. Very good. Here's the next one. Now, what do you think this could be? I see a mommy and a daddy. I see some kids and a baby. This is a family. Very good. Last one. And these are kind of stinky. Ready? Oh, that's right, their feet. All right, the last letter for today, we're going to do G. This is what the picture for G looks like. Now G has braids, just like Miss Otero has braids in today. This is a girl, and she is drinking grape juice. Now, just like the hook that she has down here, we're going to pretend that's our arm. And when we make the hand motion for G, we're going to pretend we're gulping grape juice. Now, when we're making the G sound, we're going to be turning on our voice, which means our throat is going to be vibrating. And we're going to be making a choking sound, and we're going to be making the noise. So it's going to sound like this. G, g, g. Now, if you put your hand on your throat, not only are you going to feel the vibrations, but you're going to feel your throat moving when we make the choking sound. Ready? Put your hand on your throat, and let's make the G sound together. Ready? Go. G, g, g. Very nice. Now, we're going to try it with the hand motion. So grab your arm, whichever arm you want, and let's pretend we're going to gulp some grape juice. Ready, set, go. G, g, g. Very good. Now, letter G looks like this. This is uppercase G, and this is lowercase g. They look very different. They do have some curvy lines, but uppercase G is tall and lowercase g is shorter. Let's write it together. Alright, we're going to start off with uppercase G. It's going to look similar to uppercase C. We're going to start all the way at the top, and we're going to almost make a circle. So we're going to go around and stop. We're not picking up our marker. We're going to make a line that goes in to the letter. Ready? In. Let's do it together. Grab your marker. Starting at the top, we're going to go around and stop and in. Very good. We made uppercase G. Let's go ahead and do lowercase g. Now lowercase g is shorter, which means we're going to start somewhere in the middle. So just like we would for lowercase a, we're going to make a circle first. So circle, we are not picking up our marker. We have to keep it down because now we're going to make a hook that goes under the circle like this. Hook. Let's do it together. That was kind of tricky. Ready? Grab your marker. Starting in the middle, we're going to do circle, don't pick up the marker, and hook. Wonderful job, friends. Go ahead and erase. And let's look at some words that start with G. All right. The first picture is, what is this? It's a guitar. Here's the next picture. Now this is going to be tricky. What kind of fish is this? Do you know? It's a goldfish. Now goldfish starts with G. Another tricky one. Some of you might say, Ms. Otero, those are presents. Presents doesn't start with G. You're right. But there's another way we can call these. They are presents as well as they are gifts. Gifts. Last one. Do you know what this is? Goat. Very nice. Alright, my friends, that's it for this video. I hope to see you soon, and I wish you well. See you in the next video.